This is part 6 of the Tri-5 Nationals. Some of the footage I got. Hope you enjoy. See ya.
Nice red Bel Air. Like those wheels. Oh, here's one. 4-door for sale. Power brakes. Almost the same interior as mine. $29,500. Got the skirts on it. Okay. Looks like he had a little fender bender. Or maybe did some additional work on it or something, but it looks good. Ooh, look at that LS. That is clean. I'm liking that. Somebody did a good job on that. Wow, look at that. Fuel injection. Nice.
This is a Sharp wagon here, and it looks like it's for sale. And you don't see many white 55, 56, 57s. I don't know why, but white was not a very popular color. Here's the details if you're interested in it. A little reflection on the window there. Here's a 56. Here's a 57 post. That's a sharp looking car there. I like that. Now this car's got some nice stance to it. Here's another 57 here. Here's the one I was just mentioning is for sale. It's got a real factory look to it. It's got the complete hatchback. Some of them got a tailgate. I don't know what the difference is. I noticed a lot of golf carts around here. If mine didn't look so bad, I'd bring mine.
I love these drive-bys. Pretty cool. For sale. $36,000. Here's the list of things done to it. There's the phone number as well. That's a good looking car right there. That's a cheap price for all it is. Ohio again. Pretty car there, buddy. Like it. Okay. It's got some type of Holley fuel injection or something like that. Not sure. Looks like a Holley, but I can't be positive. Yeah, it's got Holley all over it. So I'm assuming that's what it is. Now that's a
Sweet little ride. That's the one we took some pictures of. And I like the stance on it. There it is driving off. Some nice looking cars right here. It's a convertible here. 57. Another 57 convertible beside it. Nice little 55. Another 56. Now these wheels make this thing pop. I don't know about you, but I love it. And I'm not much for modern wheels on these Tri-5s, but these wheels just stand out. I love them. Check out that interior, all customized. Man, look at that. Yeah, like I said, I normally don't like the modern wheels on these things, but this one I definitely do. And look at that stance. Car's almost sitting on the ground. Now the drawback to these is the low profile tires, but man, they look so good. And these things drive like boats anyway if you got one like mine that's got all original stuff on it.
F55 beefy tires. 56. Okay, it's got that motor packed in there. Black Betty, how about that? Ooh, man, look at that. Big old wide tires. Holy cow. Looks good. Oh my goodness. That 55 looks good too. Some crazy rims. I like it though, something different. There you go. Looks good. Looks like we got one for sale right here. Inline 6. 35,000 for 1955. 3-speed on the column.
This is part 6. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. See ya.